So Huawei's chairman just dropped a video. He said that by 2025, Huawei's products are going to be beyond imagination. And here's the kicker. After surviving 5 years of sanctions, Huawei is officially making a massive comeback, and their products and software ecosystem are going to be on another level. Even he talked about the Huawei's triple folding phone and says a lot of cool stuff is coming too. Now, here's the exciting part. I think Huawei has already started working on this vision with their upcoming Huawei Pura 80 series. We all know that the Pura 80 series are the next flagship lineup, and trust me, these phones are going to bring some crazy innovations. I mean, Huawei is not playing around anymore. Because according to DigitalChatStation, a well-known Huawei leakster, the next flagship smartphone may bring a 3-lens framework on its back with top-class sensors and a brand new periscope camera. Well, the leakster has spoiled new camera details about the Pura 80 Ultra. The model will likely stand out in the market with an upgraded camera module. The leak says that the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra is basically testing a 50-megapixel 1-inch large main camera with variable aperture technology. It may further adopt a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens and a 1x1.3-inch ultra-large multifocal length periscope sensor. So judging from the leak, the Huawei Pura 80 Ultra will get major upgrades in the ultra-wide-angle and a periscope sensor compared to its predecessor. It is in rumors to test better camera sensors to deliver the best photography experience. Not only that, Huawei may unlock some new AI telephoto camera features and display upgrades for the Pura 80 series because the company is now looking for effective solutions that can enhance the overall user experience for the next flagship. Moving on, a leakster named as Fixed Focus notes that the Huawei Pura 80 will be a beautiful smartphone series, and it may launch with a brand new appearance. And apart from the design, the company will focus on AI telephoto photography and the display technology of the devices. So yeah, are you excited about the upcoming beast? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.